Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The table below shows the number of books read by 5 children in 1 month. Jana, Tan, Nadra, Eman and Lukman. If Jana read 6 books, more than one-fifth of total number of books read by the other four children, then how many books did Jana read in the month? Now let's first calculate total number of books read by other 4 children. Let's calculate this first. So total number of books read by other children, which is equal to, let's see, 11 plus 21 plus 16 plus 12, which is equal to 1. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, let's see, 50. So this is the total number of books read by other children. No, this is 21, right? So this is 60. This is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus carry 1 will be 6. So answer is, let's see, 60. So total number of books read by all the other children is 60. Now it is given that Jana read 6 books, more than one-fifth of the total number of books read by other children. So let's first find one-fifth, one-fifth of total number of books read by other children. Others is equal to one-fifth of 60, which is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 60, which is equal to 12. So one-fifth of total number of books read by other children is 12. Now Jana read 6 more than this. Therefore, number of books that Jana read is equal to 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18. So she read 18 books. This is the answer.